The testing was an exploratory pre-flight review followed by a before and after with a full treatment sequence. The image-guided treatment used the B-mode 2D sonogram and echocardiography motion mode to document the reaction of the blood vessels and the blood flow. We applied the exposure of the pulse electromagnetic device, then scanned the muscle layers of the targeted area first with high-resolution ultrasound. Then, once we decided on a target area, we find scan number 2 to show where we apply the probe to evaluate the muscle for physical motion. At rest, there's no motion in the muscle, confirmed by the straight white line. The blue section is the highly specific motion mode technology used in imaging heart valves and heart muscles. Through this scan, we see the most sensitive way of tracking muscles. Here we find no muscle motion. The square box or rectangular box looks for any dilated veins or any blood flow that's going on, and we do not see any blood flow. With the setting of 10 out of 20, we see that the muscle already has started to show a little constriction. So something's happening visually. Here, you see each pulse as it goes into the muscle and is recorded in several different areas. First of all, the straight line in the middle is no longer straight. It pulsates, and then underneath it, we have all the muscle fibers contracting and changing, showing graphic results demonstrating effect. In this last part, not surprisingly, there is a 1 by 2 millimeter vein that was not imaged before. This means that the vein is starting to dilate in reaction to the bioenergy. Now, if we had done this over a longer period of time, then perhaps you'd see real blood flow on the Doppler technology. What you see here is a vein that's dilated, and we have a 2 millimeter vein in the quadriceps muscle that was not there before. Here we use the elastography. The elastography scale from 100 representing very hard tissue or muscle spasm or fibrosis down to 0, which is fat or soft tissue, shows there was a change from 60 in hardness or spasm down to 30 representing muscle relaxation. This concludes, for the limits of this test, that this is the effect that something is happening with the applied bioenergy.